Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to this new layout update video. I haven't done one of these for quite a while and quite a large number of new subscribers to the channel. So I thought let's just do a little update video. It's time. Time is here now. So let's just dive straight in. All these cars right here on the right, not these in the front of the yard, but all these in the back of the yard, these are all new. I needed more cars, and I want to increase the total number of cars, and I also want to replace some other ones that are just not relevant for what we're trying to do. These are all off of eBay. Some of them came in a package, so like this one, I'm not going to use this one. It's way too bright. I got a whole string of Texas Pacific cars. That's great. They did a lot of traffic back in the 50s. Some are a bit more basic. They all need different couplers and some need metal wheels. And some like this one are really nice. And I have some other nice ones right here. It's quite a good deal I got on that one. I also got a great deal right here on that engine. I want to make a separate video on the double heading, yeah, upgrades that I'm doing to my roster. So that's one of them. And that one, you guys haven't seen that. I need to do an entire separate video on the roster. That's still pending, so that's why I thought let me just do this update video because some things have changed in the meantime. I got these buildings, part of a set, and they were like 20, 25 bucks or so. And yes, they still need some weathering. I mean, these are just as shiny and as new as one can get. But I thought for 25 bucks, I can buy a kit. It's probably going to cost more money and all the time to put in it. Let me just get these. Let's even here a little. Yeah, track mobile still needs to be weathered, obviously, and painted actually a little bit more. But for 25 bucks, that's a good start just to, start to get the layout, start to fill it in a bit. And we have that barge still looking mighty. That is a new one for everyone with a sharp eye. This is an engine. It's a Russian decapod, and it's actually shorter. Has more. Let me just take it out of here. Come on, it's hiding right there. And it's actually shorter than the Mikado that only has 4 drive wheels. Where's that Mikado? It's right over here. It's shorter than this one. It has more drive wheels. And that is because this tender is really long, and we don't need a long tender on such a relatively short layout. And these drive wheels are really big, and that's not helping to the overall length. It's all adding up. So you see here, the tender is shorter, and the drive wheels are smaller, smaller wheels, more traction effort, more torque, blah, blah, blah. That's what we need. But this guy is doing, it's unfortunate, it's causing a little short. Don't know why. It's causing a little short on this double slip turnout right here. And only this one. It's just bzz, bzz every now and then. And I don't feel comfortable to let it do that all this time. So it's been, I don't know, demoted, but it's here and it's going to switch the yard, and that's what it's going to do. Nothing more, nothing less. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a bummer. I do want to use it on the other part of the layout, but I need to investigate why that is giving me a short. If you know, please put it in the comments down below because that would save me a lot of investigation work. Got a little smelly thing going on in the room because you do want to have your layout room smelling good, guys. So get something like this will help. Choose the right one, otherwise it's going to smell like a washroom in here, a toilet. You don't want that. This was part of the set. This little crossover road crossing grade crossing booms. That's not the word. I'm forgetting the word. Anyway, came a set of 2 and this little structure right there. Again, needs to be painted. But for 25 bucks, all included. Thought that was a good deal. Not much happening here. City Classics building, of course. Just finished that. It's a placeholder. And then we have not the elephant in the room, but wow, look at that building, isn't it? That is beautiful. The video covering this building is coming out tomorrow or the day after, Sunday. So we're going to talk about this ABR Model Works fire escape. I built that. That was a lot of fun. And actually, in that video, I promised that in this video, I'm going to talk about what went well, and what didn't go well. So if you're watching this, a little bit of a prequel to that the video. And what didn't go well? Most of it went well. It's a kit bash. That's what the video is about. And you have to really think of everything when kit bashing. There's just certain details you can't hide it. And initially, I didn't have this wall planned. I just planned for this one staging track. You see it, staging track goes behind the building and should go behind all these future buildings, just running right there. To just have it dive behind this building and then miraculously, through the power of magic that we all possess, just end up behind these buildings. But that magic didn't really work out. I was confronted when I made the roof. Like, how is that roof line gonna be? And it's just gonna be like this then? And then it's gonna end here? Or how's that gonna work? So I decided not take the easy route, make a wall here, and it's gonna be like that. And it looks absolutely amazing. But I said easy route, it probably would have been easier just to make this wall, just to continue it as the original kit was intended, and then to make this wall part of this right here. That would probably been way less kit bashing anyways, because now we have, I don't know if I can even get that in the camera. Get another wall right here that I had to make, and not to mention these super awkward angles. Anyway, it looks amazing now. So it's a bit of an accidental find. Don't forget there's going to be a highway overpass basically right here. So it really is a peek through, see through. It really is a nice hidden passageway to the hidden staging. And if I want, I can even put that tree right there that I initially planned. Anyway, that's that building, and it's really starting to fill in now. We have that stand-in building right there. This is Kit Bash of 2 Atlas kits. That's the ABR Model Works building. We got City Classics, and just it's all the buildings are supposed to be of this height more or less at some point here on the right as well. And that is just gonna look great, isn't it? Can't wait for that to happen. And we are not waiting for that to happen, because this building right here is on the way. It's from a manufacturer that I've not built a kit yet before, and it's going to be highly detailed, highly custom, not custom, but modular, I think is the word, because it's all weird and awkward shapes. So this is going to be a very interesting build. I think it's 5 stories tall, or 6. Can't remember, to be honest. I think it's 5 stories, something like that. And then in between these 2 buildings, I'm going to print out an image of a road and then some sky, just to box it in. Catch my breath a little bit, too much talking. And then here we have another great double heading. This one was this was the buy of the century. It was not $50, I think, for this Pensy 44 tonner. And yeah, I think we're coming to the close here of everything that changed, everything that has progressed. One small thing, the video is pending as well. The new roster for all you Operation nerds out there like me. I think it's fair to say that. So there's a little prequel. I'm right there. I'm just flying through it now. And we'll make some videos on that as well. So guys, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed that quick little update before the weekend and before the video comes out on how I kit bash that. And it's a small little public general notice to it really helps the channel if you guys do subscribe and like the videos. As silly as it sounds, just please do that. If you're still watching right now, it does mean that you like the video. So please do like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And of course, we have the Patreon page where you can get loads of extra content. Do have a look at that as well. Thank you guys all for watching. That's it for today. Bye bye.